Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to watch Crunchyroll with friends online. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To watch Crunchyroll with friends using a third-party app called Discord using PC, you can follow these steps to set up a watch party using Discord's screen sharing feature. Before starting, make sure everyone participating has a Discord account and is part of the same server. And here's how to do it. So firstly, make sure the Crunchyroll is ready and the anime has been prepared for you and you decided which anime to watch. Now let's go back to our Discord. Go to user settings, then go to registered games. Make sure to add the Google Chrome, then go ahead and add game. Then make sure the toggle overlay is on. Now let's go back. Make sure you have a server. Now let's go to the voice channel, for example, lobby. Let's click on share your screen. Then find the Google Chrome. And here you can choose the stream quality. So choose this, resolution, the frame rate. Once everything is all set, go ahead and click go live. And that's how you do it. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.